Hi, I'm Mandi Sara. I'm a principal in Russell Kennedy's Workplace Relations, Employment and Safety team based in Sydney. For the past 15 years, I've been helping organisations and businesses navigate our complex regulatory regime in this area throughout the whole life cycle of the employment relationship.
Hi, I'm Sarah Ibrahim and I'm a lawyer and I work closely with Mandi in Russell Kennedy's Workplace Relations, Employment and Safety team in Sydney. So Mandi and I have been reflecting on the different matters that have come across our desk in 2024. We noticed that there was a significant increase in three different areas. Firstly, applications made to the Fair Work Commission, particularly in the form of general protections and unfair dismissal claims. There's also been an increase in psychological injury claims. And finally, workplace complaints and investigations. So Manny, we've spoken a lot about what we've seen in 2024 in the employment space. And from our thinking, it appears that these trends will continue well into 2025. So if we look back, this really will be applications made to the Fair Work Commission. We think that this will still be the primary legal avenue that employees will make, and that's really because the Commission is a very cost-effective and accessible jurisdiction for all employees. We also expect that psychological injury rates will continue to rise at a rate that will well outpass physical injury claims. And finally, mental health issue isn't just a personal issue. It's really an industry-wide challenge, and what comes with that is significant financial, legal, and productivity consequences.
That's right, Sarah. Those are the continuing trends that we're seeing. And as you said, psychological injury claims is increasing at a overwhelming pace. And that's actually reflected in the New South Wales Treasurer's recent announcement in March, where he's proposed that they're going to review the current New South Wales workers' compensation system. And interestingly, they're proposing to introduce a new jurisdiction in the New South Wales Industrial Relations Commission, where it's proposed that there will be a requirement where a bullying harassment claim will need to be made before an employee lodges a psychological injury claim in the workers' compensation system. So it'll be interesting to see developments in this space.
Wow. Do you have any preliminary views on that?
I think the idea behind the proposal is that it's meant to be a deterrent for individuals to bring psychological injury claims where really there is no proper basis or, with no proper merits in their claims. However, I think from what we can see, there's so much complexity in the factual matrix of a psychological injury claim that I think the increase will still continue, but there will be additional barriers and additional process in that they have to start in the employment jurisdiction first.
Interesting. Guess we'll have to wait and see.
That's right.